Not too bad.
Okay, I'm on with these three people.
So how about you? How about Mama? Score. I just got myself.
Alright, we have a box. This is literally the next thing I got right after the ESL, and this is another holy grail.
I never would have, never in a million years would I have thought a box.
Box!
Should I spoil it right now because I want to?
Box!
I'm taking that as no, I'm not going to spoil it. Damn it. I wanted to spoil it just to be evil.
It's called a 4050.
Imagine if it was. It's not a 405080. I wish. Anyways, let's pull this out. Here we go.
I don't even know what that is.
Oh yeah. Early alert.
Does Indigo even know what this is?
I feel like you have the world's smallest pairs in it.
Well, he's gonna see.
I feel like, James, you have the world's smallest pair of scissors right now.
Early alert POC-1.
Okay, so you're gonna see why I bought this. The box may look pretty unassuming at first, but on the inside, you're gonna see what this thing actually is. Ready?
Oh yeah. Let's see. What?
What is that? Is that a motion sensor?
It's an UltraGuard. It's an UltraGuard smoke alarm. Yep, I expected that. I expected it to go goblin. Right.
Yeah, Ultra Electronics Inc. So this is still technically an UltraGuard, even though it has different branding. Early alert.
Dude, I am after one of those.
Is that? And of course, we also have the manual early alert. Well, I guess I'll just call it UltraGuard, but even though that's technically what it is, but yeah. Yeah, this is models A and B. I'm curious in what the actual thing is. Well, this is made of very interesting material. POC model A, B, E. It just says. That's weird. Yeah, but this is there's the back label. This thing is actually really interesting.
Wait, aren't you not supposed to install smoke alarms in corners?
Nathan's just so purposely being stupid. Anyways, you look at the actual front of the unit. It looks like those alarms that you always see me finding for the past like 3 home searching videos in a row. Okay, in all seriousness.
Wait, is that alarm meant to be mounted in a corner?
No. I don't even. No alarm is supposed to be.
It's supposed to be mounted in the corner.
Well, this is hardwired for the record, so yeah. This I can clean up a bit. A little bit of dusty, but this is new in the box. So I mean, as you can tell, it looks like from the looks of it, it's a CLB-23. Don't know if this is based off of anything. Could be, but yeah. And then this is the sort of mounting bracket. It's like you fish the wires through this hole and it like attaches like that. It's kind of a weird design, but probably shows to why they didn't sell well. But these are really interesting and really cool looking units in my opinion. This is actually a lot smaller than I expected it to be. I was expecting it to be much larger. Anyways, we're gonna get the AC cord and we're gonna go ahead and test this thing. Which I'm definitely really excited to do because I personally have never heard one of these before. Okay, so the indicators should be on the bottom here, if I remember correctly. So if you guys will be looking at the right side of this unit, the indicator should be on the bottom right. Oh no, it's just on the left. Can you see it?
That's a small indicator.
It's not very.
Wait, is there noise sensitivity at all?
Yeah, let me turn that off real quick. Okay. Wait, did I turn off the right thing? I can drag this all the way down. Okay. let's yeah, so it's a little tiny red light down there. Don't know if this is based off anything, like I said. I'll have to look at the insides. I could probably just unscrew these and I'll look inside. Anyways, in the meantime, we'll go and smoke test it. I'm only gonna let it run for a few seconds.
I didn't hear anything.
You didn't hear anything?
No.
I'll send you guys video later because I'm not running it back again.
Okay.
However, surprisingly, for a 120 AC unit, it sounds like a DC powered squealer hornet, actually.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I was expecting it to sound like a buzzer.
Yeah, I've actually, like I said, I've never heard one of these before, so I was kind of out of the loop. I didn't actually see much of Nathaniel's video, to be honest. So this is kind of new for me too. So, yeah, I was just always fascinated on how this alarm looked. So, yeah,
I
this
honestly
is
really want one of those.
yeah, this thing was really high on my holy grail list, which is very surprising because I literally just snagged my number 7 and this was number 6. And yeah, these do look really, really cool. One of my coolest looking detectors in my entire collection, in my opinion, if I had to choose one. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and get back out the box. It's a relatively basic box. Doesn't have too much going on. Just says early alert all over it. But down the back here, you said Ultra Electronics. The box itself is
So it's
pretty.
basically a rebranded UltraGuard because it says early alert on the manual too.
Yeah, it's probably I'll have to look back at Nathaniel's video because these are technically UltraGuards, but it could also be
Oh yeah, it says early alert at the back of the alarm.
yeah,
So it's probably rebranded.
could yeah. So yeah.
That's honestly that's one of the that's honestly one of the coolest looking vintage alarms there's.
Yeah, I really like to look at this one a lot.
You know, I sure hope to get my hands on one day.
Yeah, you could definitely try for it. Anyways, to get my thumbnail consistent, I must close my window so we can get the consistent thumbnail. Yeah, very excited to have this one in my collection. So that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. It'll go left. As for Nathan and Alex, you guys want to say bye?
Bye.
Au revoir.
All right, bye.